Hello guys, this is Prashant and I am back with a video. In this video we see that how we can create group tab in Chrome. So let's start. You can see my screen. There are not any extra tab open. So go this icon and click on create new tabs. You can see the pop-up and you can write your name also. Just hit enter and the group tab is created. You can add any websites like this and add more tabs. Just right click on AI icon and add more websites, and you can also drag another websites from outside of group tab just like this. So you can see that how I created a group tab in Chrome, and you can also create this type of tabs. This is helps where so much. You can just right click on AI tab and close group like this, and just click on AI. You can directly open all websites one time.